Okay, so the next question is a little bit of a risky one, and that is the last time that you had sex. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be eating a bunch of shit, literal shit. I mean, agree with me.
Garbage.
So I am here with my best friend, Alexis. I have seen this going around the internet for a while, and I love an excuse to eat like absolute trash. This is KFC if you guys can't tell. I have a bunch of questions on my phone that we asked on Instagram, but first we kind of want to show you guys what we're eating. If you're eating with us, like, welcome. I don't really know how these mukbangs go. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Is it a mukbang? A mukbang? A mukbang. I feel kind of bad though, because like I also don't want to offend anyone who like actually watches these because like they watch them because they want to, I guess. I don't want to like make fun of anyone, but like here we are.
We got all dressed chips somewhere here.
These
Canadian?
are so good. Those are like literally her favorite.
Thank you, Canada.
Is it Canadian?
It is Canadian. Have you ever watched Letterkenny?
No.
On Hulu. Watch it.
We also have like biscuits from KFC. Ooh, got a lot. We got the potato wedges. I legitimately went there and I was like, can I just get a large of like everything? And it was just me and her that walked in there, so I'm assuming they probably were like, where do they put it all? I don't really know. We got this large mac and cheese. Oh my god, I can't fucking wait to eat it. And then we got a large mashed potato. And I was like, I feel like this is like a makeup tutorial. I'm like, here, like, look at what I'm gonna eat.
I'm sure it is. Well, give me a second.
What are you gonna... So we're gonna jump in with some of the questions. Okay, the first question is, how long have you known each other? How has your friendship changed over the years? We have known each other for how long?
When did you start
2015.
working?
So we've known each other for about 4 years now, which is kind of crazy. I mean,
I can't believe it's been that long. And then one day I think we had just like a bonding moment.
heart to heart.
Mhm.
It was over makeup.
It was over makeup.
It was legitimately over
It was
makeup. I didn't even know that you liked it that much until we started
Yeah,
talking
because I
about
always
it.
looked like garbage because I didn't care.
We are very different, like,
Makeup
skin
style
types
wise,
and
yeah.
makeup styles and what we both like.
We're like complete opposites, actually.
I will go out on a Tuesday night, blackout smoky eye, and she like does her classic like winged liner, super glowy skin. Like, she's so dry, I'm so oily, so like we're just like a fucking mess. Oh my god, next question. Who's more likely to go on a blind date?
You.
Hands
Absolutely
down.
you.
I've gotten myself into some pretty sticky situations,
Mm-hmm.
honestly. No pun intended. But next question. If you both like the same guy, who will approach him?
Don't
We
have the
would
same
never
taste.
like the same guy. We would never like the same guy. We
Not remotely.
have such different taste. Describe like, okay, but describe your type though. You do like tattoos.
I do.
You do like that.
I do enjoy.
You like a
I do.
beard.
I like a beard a lot.
Mm-hmm.
I do like, I'm more prone to liking somebody that's a little bit bigger.
Like, no.
Like,
not fat.
not-
Like, you have
not-
always said like a little chubby.
Yeah, chubby is fine. Like, not fluffy. But like a little, like,
There's a difference, people.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is a good question. It's definitely more for me, though. Was it hard starting YouTube? Getting subscribers, creating content, and being shy? I've always been open about my life to pretty much anybody. Hence why it was so easy for me to start a YouTube channel and, like, be so open. I feel like you wouldn't have the same experience as I do. As for, like, getting subscribers and creating content, the creating content is pretty easy. I mean, honestly, look at, we're just sitting here eating a bunch of garbage food and talking to you guys, answering questions. Like, the content idea is pretty easy. It's the getting subscribers. Like, now, YouTube is such a saturated environment, and social media in general is such a saturated environment that it's so hard to get, like, views and to get noticed, just because there are so many people competing and so many people posting the same types of videos. The YouTube algorithm is, you guys know, half of you don't even get notified when my videos are being uploaded. And it's just, it's hard in that sense. Like, I'm trying to reach my own audience and more. And YouTube algorithm, like, doesn't even reach you guys. So how am I even supposed to get any more of you guys if I'm not reaching half of you? And now here I am, like, having a mukbang. What?
At least this is kind of fun.
Yeah, no, this is definitely fun. Like, I would do this again. Like, I would, my whole channel could be this. I would be about 600 pounds, but, like, I would love this.
You could be on my 600-pound life.
As I'm filming this.
Yeah.
They're like, here, hold on, we're going to film you from this angle, and you can film from this angle. Okay, next question is, what book are you reading right now? I do not really read books.
I'm going to reread Twilight books, honestly. Shut up. They're good books. I don't care what anyone
Okay, guys, so that's it for the mukbang. Next question is, what is your favorite face moisturizer? I have been loving the Pixie Rose, whatever that is. I showed it on camera when I did my skincare routine. I have been absolutely loving that for the past, like, month and a half or so. It is so, I know, so gross. It is so hydrating, and oh my god, like, it smells literally like roses. And I know that you can't fucking use Pixie because of your allergies, but, like, honestly though, it's so good. Like, their whole line that they just came out with, their skincare line, honestly, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not really, like, too big of a fan of their makeup. Like, it's just, like, very drugstore-esque, which is fine, but it's just, like, I don't know, I feel bad saying that, but, like, their skincare though was, like, bomb. It was so good. What about you? What's your favorite face moisturizer?
Right now, it's the First Aid Beauty.
That's good though. I used to use that way back in the day, like way back in my Sephora days. I used to, like, love First Aid Beauty. Like, it was so good.
The face and body moisturizer, the thick one, especially
is that in the jar?
Yeah, in the little pot. That one especially, because it is so moisturizing, and, like, living where we live, it's
oh my god,
so cold.
Yeah, we legitimately live
so
in
dry.
a winter tundra. We legitimately, no joke, guys, came inside from a windstorm. An actual windstorm. I'm like, no thanks, sis. Next question is, if you could ever, or if you could do a makeup collab with anyone, who would it be? Okay, I want you to answer this too, though, because I know
like
that you
don't. Like a brand or like another?
We'll answer both, like an influencer and, like, an actual brand. So many collabs are coming out right now that, like, people are coming out with, like, eyeshadow palettes that are just, like, they're coming out with lipsticks. They're coming, I don't know, I just think everything has been done so much. Like, if I were to ever collab with someone, like, a brand of some kind, that it would have to be, like, something so different or something so good that, like, you know what I mean, it wouldn't match anything else. Because I feel like so many people have come out with highlighters. I mean, it's just like, how many of those can you have? Like, they all pretty much are very similar, you know? Some formulas are different than others, but honestly, like, I wouldn't want to do that. She's breaking open the chips. And, like, influencer that I would love to collab with, Jackie Ina. That's my bitch.
Makeup collab, I think I'd want to do one with ColourPop.
I knew you were going to say that.
I love ColourPop.
I know you do. I knew you were going to say that.
No, I like their products. They're cruelty-free.
Uh-huh. Oh, you're big on that, too.
And they don't, from everything that I've used, nothing's scented, so I can use it all. What do you think? Because
Kathleen Knights. You literally talk about her all the time, though. Like, that is the most, like, her, way back in the day, you loved Samantha Ravindell.
I still love Samantha Ravindell.
Yeah, but you were.
No, I still, like, am a diehard, like.
Did you see she stopped receiving PR?
Yeah, which I, like, totally commend her for, because it was
I thought that was great. It was so wasteful.
So wasteful.
I mean, I don't even, like, I get a lot of PR, and I am not even, like, a big influencer, I guess, but I do get a lot of PR, and there is a lot, but you know who has definitely cut down a lot, and I will give them a shout out in this video? CoverGirl. I just got a collab, or not a collab, I just got a PR package from them the other day, and it was literally just, like, a little small cylinder thing that had their mascaras in it, and, like, it had a little bit, like, a little card, and that was it. But Samantha,
I'm
like,
a fan of reducing your footprint.
She is paving the way, though. Like, she stopped receiving PR. She's like, I'm good, sis. The next question is for me. Does your fiance family know that you're trans? I remember you didn't tell them at first. Funny story, they do know I'm trans now. They kind of just stumbled across the old YouTube. Yeah, his mom Googled me too. His mom knew for a while and didn't mention anything to either me or him. All she kept doing was kind of dropping hints via text message about it, which I thought was so cute, and I love her so much. Not even just for that. Like, I mean, even before that. Like, you know, I just always knew that she was, like, super accepting. I just, like, you can kind of just tell. What? You want butter?
Yeah.
Fucking have it. Reach over, bitch. Not his whole entire family knows. I know that his mom, his dad, his stepmom, and his sisters know. But other than that, I think maybe one aunt knows, and that's it. There's no different tone in how they act towards me. They legitimately are so supportive, and I love that. Like, I'm so happy that I get to, like, marry into that. Okay, so the next question is a little bit of a risky one, and that is the last time that you had sex. I'll go first on this one. I'm sorry, Mom and Dad, if you're watching, honestly, because this is a little bit embarrassing, but it was literally a month and a half ago when I went to Disney World, and my boyfriend, now fiance, met me there. Oops.
I'll plead the fifth. I'm not answering that.
The next question, I don't even want to answer, but I'm going to answer it, or I'm going to ask it because it's fucking hysterical. Okay, are you ready? Do you like giving fellatio? You know what that is?
Yes, yeah. I know.
Well, you can ask my fiance that. We'll leave that up to him to answer. Okay, guys, so that is all of the questions. We're just splitting our little dessert. What is this, a chocolate chip cookie? Honestly, this is so good. You don't think it's good?
No.
Don't forget to subscribe. That button is going to be down there. Give the video a thumbs up for having Lex on the channel. Lex's Instagram will be linked down below if you guys want to check it out. Check out my last video. That will be linked right in between us. Stay on the channel. Have a couple laughs. Learn a couple makeup techniques. And I will see you guys all in my next video. She won't be here though. It'll just be me. Bye, bitch.